Sales are slow today.
Wow, this is the dream. Hi, I'm here to get a pet.
Sure.
Oh, not so shabby.
Move.
Huh?
Gorgeous lady in designer clothes? You're getting my undivided attention. Hello there. Would you like a leash for your dog?
I would like to speak to the manager.
Huh?
I want a new pet, and I want it right now. Got it?
Then, what's the holdup?
Absolutely. Yeah, what do you want?
A dog.
Payment first.
I only have $10. Is that enough?
Huh. As a matter of fact, yes. Now, where is he?
Oh, wow, he's so cute. Good boy. Oh, whatever.
Hey, give me a fancy pet.
On it. Here you go.
Oh, she's perfect. Let's go home.
Give me the most expensive pet you got.
That's not enough.
Surely 15 golden bars ain't enough? Plus tips. Take it or leave it.
Let me get you a new pet.
That's what I thought.
Oh no, I've run out of animals. Oh, nuts. One moment, please. Come on, think. Oh, I know. I saw one looking for food here the other day.
What's taking so long?
Found it. Well, she'll never know. Here you go.
Seriously?
Yes. It's, rare.
Oh, I love it.
Are you my new mommy?
Yes, I am. Mwah. Here, kitty
Aw,
kitty.
good boy.
Don't run away, okay? Oh, it's Mom. Well, I better answer it. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, I know. Guess I'll never know what she wants. Hey, my butler will know what to do.
Here, madam. This will help you.
Wow.
It's a cage for your mouse. Now he'll never run away.
Huh? Wow. Huh? I'll never put him in that.
Well, I got nothing.
It needs to be in gold.
Sure thing. I'll squeeze the juice out of the gold bar. This cage will be gold in no time.
Genius. It's cool, I guess.
All shiny and gold, madam.
Wow, it's your new home. Wanna go check it out? Uh-huh.
Whoa! Totally an upgrade from that old dumpster. And it doesn't smell like garbage.
Oh, he loves it.
That makes one of us.
What? Go.
Fine, madam.
A golden cage? Huh, you were not living in a cage. I better not. Let's see, what do we have here? Wow, parts of a cat tree. Did they get this at the park? Is this another part? I ordered it from a designer store, not a workshop. So annoying.
How pathetic.
Yes, madam.
Oh, I can just get someone to fix it. Hello, listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Make this into a cat tree.
Only $500. Well, that's good enough for me. Let's assemble this cat tree. First up, the base. I'll saw it into shape. Then I'll spray it with a nice gold color. Now wrap some rope around the branches. This blanket around the base. It's perfect. But we're not done yet. We need some curtains and a few more floors. Now it's flawless. Bye.
Oh, isn't it great? I love it. This will keep my nails nice and sharp.
I'll make you a house too. Just you wait, buddy. You'll be living like a king in no time.
You are kidding.
That's disgusting. Now, time to dig up some trash.
Oh, what on earth?
You little... Huh? Butler!
I'll take it off for you. Bananas do not make good crowns, especially not a spoiled one. Ugh.
There must be something I could use. This one, but it has holes. I can't use this unless I'll turn it into a pillowcase.
First, I'll wrap it around the pillow. It's pretty big, so I'll have to fold it in a few places. And voila, your own pillow. You don't like it? Can't blame you there. Aha!
All right, bye. Finally, a much-needed break.
Gotta be quiet. I'm just here to borrow one teeny tiny thing. You won't even notice it's gone. Let me just put this away, and I'm out of here.
I'm ready to go back to work. You rascal!
You won't believe what I got for free, buddy. This little table is going to be your bed. But first, we gotta make some changes. I'll add a few walls and a window. I want to make it pretty. I'll stick some colored tape on all sides. The more colors, the better. It's done. What do you think?
It's so comfy!
You know what will make it better? A pillow.
Oh, yeah. Thanks, Mom. I'm the luckiest dog in the world.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Package for you, madam.
Oh, a treasure chest. What do you have for me? Oh, a piece of paper. What are those confusing shapes? Hey,
Let me explain. It's a blueprint for the most sophisticated cage. It's designed by top engineers who calculated the dead load of all materials to make it earthquake, typhoon, and apocalypse-proof. For your little furry friend.
That's too much information.
It means it's good.
Oh, then get to work.
It's simple, really. Take a big cardboard and cut it into pieces. Then we'll tape them together to make a maze. To make it more fun, let's set some balls. And now it's ready. Madam, take a look.
Wow! It looks so fun. I wish I could play in that. Maybe you can make me a bigger one? Go on, check it out.
You really outdone yourself. I could play in here for hours. I wonder what's in the next room. Wow, big giant gloves. Phew, that was close. Now, if only I could get through these hoops and these French fry looking things. They sure taste nothing like them. Whoa, what an adventure! I can't wait to go on it again.
Great job, sweetie. You can go on this as many times you'd like.
Awesome!
Hey, y'all, wanna play with me?
Sure, let me just finish playing.
Oh, come on!
Oh, you poor thing. Here, catch.
Whoa!
What? Got it, Mom! Let's play!
But we don't have any toys.
Oh yeah, that's what I want.
And that pink sweater is the one I want. She won't know a thing. She can keep that one.
I know.
Wow, it's pretty. I'm sure she wouldn't mind. Let's cut it up. All I need is this one tiny piece. I'll tie a couple of knots on it so it has an interesting shape. Here, buddy.
Whoa!
Over here. Come get it.
That looks familiar. Is that? No, it can't be. Oh, you poor thing. Why don't you go play with your tree?
But I'm already bored with that.
She's so hard to please. I'll buy you a toy you can't resist. Not fancy enough. Oh, now that's what I'm talking about. Oh, here, kitty kitty.
Come back here.
I'm starving. I have an idea.
It's scorching hot today. Let me get another bottle.
Oh, it's just what I needed. But it could be bigger. Jackpot!
Well, back to work. Wow!
Oops. I sure hope nobody needed this. I'll cut this bottle right down the middle. Then I'll stick the cap side right on the cone. I'll do it with a couple of bottles. Then use some hot glue to dull the plastic. That way it's not sharp. You got some treats for me, buddy.
Well, I sure do.
Awesome! Dig in.
Yummy!
Let me try. You are right. It is yummy.
Sharing a snack with her dog. You'll never catch me doing that. My cat gets her own food, and it only comes in this automatic feeder with one press of a button. My cat gets all the tuna she wants.
It's raining food. What a feast. Thanks.
Let's go play. Oh, where did she go? Oh no, she's not in her spot. Where could she be hiding? Did she run away? Oh, my baby.
That mouse is here somewhere. There.
Whoa, cool! He's so fast! Wow, not bad. So what now? And done. Boring. Time to order something. Cool. Let's see what we got. Wow, now that's a real Rubik's Cube. I'll try Ladybug game. Here we go. Come on, cutie, run to the berries. I'll make the way for ya.
Guys, look.
Hey, where are you off to? Cool, I'll order one too. Huh, I can afford that too.